So we are at Powerhouse in Llanedeyrn, where we have sound progression, where we provide music production, lyric writing, songwriting sessions for the young people.
Without Tyrone, I don't think I would have been to where I am now, because let's be honest, some of the tunes we've done, he's the person who introduced me to sound progression. Don't know what to say to that, to be honest.
That's nice. No, I appreciate that. That's cool.
I don't know
Cool.
what to say to that.
I'm just glad to be part of the journey, do you know what I mean? I'm glad. I feel privileged to be able to have met talented young people like yourself and just be part of the stepping stone to developing your own talents and having your own career. So yeah, it's been a privilege working with you.
Nice one, bro.
Are you two going to perform again together?
Hopefully.
100%.
Maybe.
Got any songs coming out?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, come on, drop a song. Drop it.
Which one?
That's all you.
Which one?
It's a bit like grime, like, but not too much. I don't know, it's a bit of a mix of trap and grime.
I'd say it's unique.
Unique.
Yeah, it is a bit unique. I don't really know how we come up with it, to be fair.
For the first 20 seconds, it was nerve-wracking. Okay. And then I was like, I can genuinely be myself here.
A lot more confident. I'm a lot more confident. Obviously, if it weren't for the shows I've been doing with you guys and the things I've done, the people I've met. When I first came here, I remember I was a bit nervous to rap it in front of you. Now I'm doing it when you don't want me to. So,
That is good to laugh. If you got something on your mind and you want to talk about it, or if you don't want to talk about it, it's your own way to express yourself.
yeah, it's not just you make music, you socialize, you make friends, you can talk to people about problems, even if it's nothing to do with music in general. So sound progression has helped a lot.